This is a great core exercise using a ball. It's called opposite knee to elbow, and it's pretty self-explanatory. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place my feet on the ball, and there's different ways you can do this. I'm going to demonstrate it from toes on the ball. If you want to make it easier, you can go flat feet on the ball, and then if you want to make it easier, you can roll backwards on the ball so more of your body weight is going through the ball. The hardest version is to be toes on the ball, something like this. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to float my right leg off the ball, and I'm going to crunch it in or pull it in towards my right elbow, and then I'm going to curl over to the side, twist to the side towards my left elbow, bring it back to my right elbow, and then kick it straight back. I know that's a lot of instructions, so let's try this again. Knee draws in towards my right elbow, twist to the side, knee to left elbow, back to right elbow, kicking it straight back. And that's your knee to elbow on the ball.